Stop throwing away potato peels. You should know that potatoes have valuable properties, especially the skin. Most people toss the peels straight into the trash while peeling, but you can actually turn them into something much better. Put the peels in the sink and wash them thoroughly, then transfer them to a strainer. Shake it well to get rid of excess water. Spread the peels on a plate and cut them into smaller pieces so they dry evenly. Prepare a baking tray and line it with parchment paper. Spread the peels out in a thin, even layer. Put the tray into a preheated oven at about 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for around 10 minutes until the peels are dry and crispy. Take them out and let them cool for a moment. Then toss everything into a blender and blend into a fine powder. Get a container, ideally a spice jar, use a funnel, and pour the powder in. And that's it. You've got a natural fertilizer made from potato peels. It's perfect for houseplants and potted plants. Just mix a little into the soil whenever you want. If you're wondering how to strengthen your potted plants and you want a way to keep your plants healthy at home, this powder is perfect. It gently nourishes the soil, supports growth, and makes the potting mix richer. So over time, your plants look stronger and healthier. It's the best chemical-free plant fertilizer out there. Just 1 tablespoon of this, and your plants will grow and bloom 5 times faster. The flowers will be so lush, their stems will bend under the weight. You won't be able to keep up with the vegetable harvest. And the best part? You already have all the ingredients at home. The first ingredient is oats. They're full of essential micronutrients like phosphorus, iron, and magnesium. These support healthy growth and boost plant immunity. Put 1 tablespoon of oats into a blender. Grind them into a fine powder. This helps release nutrients faster. Then, take a larger container and pour in about 1 quart of clean water. Add 1 tablespoon of the ground oats and mix well. Let the mixture sit for an hour. During that time, the oats will release all their goodness. After an hour, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to get a clear liquid. Your homemade eco-friendly fertilizer is ready. Water all your garden flowers and vegetables with it. You'll see a difference in just a few days. The plants will be strong and resilient. The harvest will be 5 times bigger. Use this oat fertilizer once a week for best results. An organic fertilizer that will make your plants burst into bloom. Ever since I started using it, my neighbors can't stop admiring the results. Grab a large glass jar and a few bananas. Peel the fruit, but don't throw away the skins. That's where the magic is. Banana peels are rich in potassium, phosphorus, and calcium. Drop 2 whole peels into the jar. Cut the 3rd peel into smaller pieces to help it release nutrients faster, and add that too. Fill the jar with cold filtered water. Add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. It boosts beneficial microorganisms and speeds up decomposition, making nutrients more accessible to plants. Pour in a bit of vinegar to help balance the pH. Stir well, seal the jar, and let it sit overnight. Nature will do the rest. After 24 hours, your fertilizer is ready. Use this natural elixir once a week. Your plants will be so full of flowers, they'll practically bow under the weight. All thanks to this one simple mixture. These fertilizers will help you enjoy lush, blooming pansies. Pansies are wonderful flowers that require proper care. Today, I'll show you 2 easy-to-make fertilizers. The first is a coffee grounds fertilizer. Coffee grounds not only enrich the soil with necessary nutrients, but also improve its structure and prevent drying out. Just add 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds to a container, pour in a liter of water, stir, and let it sit for an hour. Then, pour a cup into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks. The second fertilizer is a yeast mixture. Dissolve 10 grams of yeast in a liter of lukewarm water. Yeast supports plant growth, especially for those that need large amounts of nutrients. Let the mixture sit for an hour, then pour a cup into the pot. Use this fertilizer every 2 weeks as well to keep your pansies healthy and blooming abundantly. Regular use of both fertilizers will improve the plant's condition and provide the right growing conditions. You'll definitely be pleased with the results. Put a carrot in your peace lily. Your plants will bloom like never before. Fertilizing houseplants is key to their health and lush growth. Without the right nutrients, plants lose vitality, leaves turn yellow, and flowering becomes rare. Instead of chemical fertilizers, make a natural carrot-based plant food. It's an easy and affordable way to nourish your plants without harmful substances. Chop 1 carrot into small pieces. Carrots are rich in vitamins and minerals that support plant growth and health, containing phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. Place the chopped carrot into a blender and add a liter of water. Blend until smooth. Before watering your plants, strain the mixture through a sieve. Avoid using the pulp, as vegetable leftovers can attract unwanted insects. Use this liquid fertilizer every 15 days to water your peace lily or other houseplants. Soon, you'll notice greener leaves, stronger roots, and more frequent vibrant blooms. Embrace natural care methods and enjoy beautiful, healthy plants all year round. Add this to your anthurium, and you'll see the difference instantly. This homemade fertilizer will make your flowers grow like crazy, even if you thought they were beyond saving. All you need is something from your kitchen to create an amazing mixture that brings your plant back to life. Take 1 large red onion and cut it in half. There's more power in it than you might expect. Chop it into smaller pieces. No need to peel. Put everything into a blender and add just enough water to cover the onion. Blend until smooth. Now grab a strainer and strain the mixture. We only want the liquid. You can use a spoon to help squeeze out as much juice as possible. Pour the liquid into a bottle and store it in a cool, dark place. When you're ready to use it, mix about 1/4 cup of the onion juice with 2 cups of water. Stir well. Now simply water your anthurium with it. This natural fertilizer gives the plant a real energy boost. The leaves become more vibrant, and new shoots appear faster than you'd expect. Try it. Your anthurium will thank you. This fertilizer costs nothing, and your plants will reward you with lush blooms. This homemade plant tonic works wonders. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. Plants need nutrients to grow strong and bloom abundantly. Start by preparing a large bowl and a strainer. Pour in about 8 ounces of dry rice. White, unpolished rice works best. Rice contains starch, magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc. All the essentials your plants need. Add about 4 cups of cold water, just enough to fully cover the rice. Stir it well by hand and let it sit for about 15 minutes. During this time, the rice will release its valuable nutrients into the water. Remove the strainer. The water should look slightly cloudy. That's a sign it contains dissolved minerals. Pour the rice water into a container that makes watering easy. This fertilizer works for all types of plants. Use it once a week. You'll notice the difference quickly. Your plants will become healthy and full, natural, effective, and completely free.